I am not the same. I am not here to play games. My way is a translation and greater toleration that brings the mythical night and day toward making myself and the world better. Take time to understand, and you will find insertations of others can make it easier. What is being missed? Without acceptation of the often misrepresented differentiation, it is not for us to have another's realization or do their actualization. We don't have to deny their experience. When we have another interpretation, belief and action is a real responsibility for each incarnation.